Alright, we're back with our Chapter 13 vocabulary. We've got mountain men, beaver-pelt hats, war with Mexico, and a gold rush. This is quite the chapter, and quite the variety of vocabulary words as a result. Take a gander here, and then move on to the assignment. So, we've got joint occupation, a situation in which people from two countries can occupy an area, specifically Oregon country was jointly occupied by Britain and the U.S. Mountain men, an adventurer of the American West. Usually they were looking for beaver pelts because beaver pelt hats were very popular, and there were a lot of beaver out there. Let's see. An immigrant, a person that leaves their country to live somewhere else. A prairie schooner is a canvas-covered wagon used by pioneers in the mid-1800s. A schooner is a type of ship, boat, but a prairie schooner is a wagon because they would travel across the ocean of grass that is the Great Plains to get to Oregon. Manifest destiny, the belief that the U.S. was destined by God to extend its boundaries all the way to the Pacific Ocean. So it was general belief that we would occupy the whole continental United States as it is today. Tejano, a Texan of Latin American, usually Mexican descent. So it's like a Hispanic person in Texas. A Hispanic Texan. That's it. That's what the Tejano is. A decree, an official order. A barricade means, well, to barricade means to block off. Like this is a barricade. That road is barricaded. Alright. Annex. To add territory to one's own territory. To annex. Rancho. A ranch, especially the large estates set up by Mexicans in the American West. Almost like, well, no, not kind of plantation-like, some plantation-like qualities. But a ranch, they usually deal with steer, cows, moo. A ranchero would have been the rancher of a rancho. So, those two should be easy. Basically a ranch and a rancher. You just cut off the last letter. Boom. Alright, 49er. A fortune seeker who came to California during the gold rush. They're looking to make it big, strike it rich. A boomtown is a fast-growing community. And a vigilante is a person who acts as the police, judge, and jury with no formal legal authority. I give an example of Batman. Batman's not a police officer. He's not a cop. He's not a lawyer. He's just a masked superhero that beats up bad guys. That's a vigilante. Alright, on the next page, you've got two options. And I think they're going to kind of stick like this for much of the year from here on out. Option 1, write 10 separate sentences with one vocab word in each. Being sure to bold the vocabulary word. I've even turned on the voice recording option, which you may feel free to use. Obviously, you cannot bold a word you are saying, but you don't have to yell the word or anything. That would be silly. Option 2, write a story or a poem using 6 vocab words. Be sure to still bold that for me or something so I can see the word. Feel free to get creative. This story should be entertaining and not some cobbled together Frankenstein hack job of mashed together vocab sentences. Have fun, and if I like it enough, I give bonus points. Basically, this is where you get bonus points if you're fun and creative. But don't give me like 3 vocab words shoved into a sentence. Like, the mountain man visited his ranchero friend at the rancho. Mr. Young disapproves. Alright, that's it. It's worth 10 points. So, you can get some bonus points if you're creative. That's it. We'll be starting lesson 1 tomorrow. Have a great day.